So I'm Bill Doucette, and I am the commercial manager for DeLaval Dairy Service in Wisconsin. We're located in Kaukauna, Wisconsin, with another location in Elkhart Lake, Wisconsin. And our service territory is the northeast sector of Wisconsin.
I mean, we play a really big role on these dairies, helping them keep their milking equipment going, performing at the highest level, so we can help their herd reach their full potential when they're in our milking system. And just having a really strong team that sees the same goal is really important.
We have such a strong team. We're very family-based. We make sure that our employees are taken care of because we know that our employees take care of the customers.
I think that kind of camaraderie kind of fits into what we are, which is the family farm. We just kind of fit into their family. So I think they treat you like you're part of their family, and that's just, there's nothing like family. Like I said, I've been very, very happy with the service and what we get from them.
When you're a family and a team and you work well together, that projects out to the customer base. Even without you trying, it just does.
They do seem to get along really well, and so they're not afraid to share little secrets that they might have learned along the way.
I feel that they have a great communication amongst themselves, and then with us, looping us in on these things also.
When the farmer's happy, they look for more things for you to fix, and then that just improves their whole milk quality and their whole procedures,
I told Bill that. Bill is the manager of the company down there, and I told him, I said he put together a really good team.
And I think that they have a good leader and good fellow employees, and it makes their job easier as well.
But the one thing that I think is critical to understand is that this way of living is not a job or a career, it's a lifestyle. Being a farmer is a lifestyle. You live and breathe what you do, and being invited to the table of somebody's lifestyle, I believe is the best honor you can have.